Hello sir, here you can see the demo video of your project Beehive scale. I am using the LilyGo SIM 800 while you will use the 4G module of LilyGo while I am using the 800 which is the 2G. And also I'm using the LCD and temperature and humidity sensor. And here you can see the setup of the scale, how I have set up the load cell. And also I am using the power supply for turning on the LCD because the LCD is using too much power. And also same power is going to the load cell module HX711 amplifier because if I will not use the external power supply, it does not work properly. Now you can see the reading. It is showing almost zero gram. And also I will mention that you have to calibrate the load cell before the using it as per your box size, box weight. Now you can see the blink dashboard. Here you can see the gauges for the data display and below the graphs are given. Now if you want to get the latest data, just you need to press this hold and button. You will see that now data is updated and I also received the SMS. So you can press this button at any time and you will get the latest data. Otherwise, you will get the data on the blink after 1 hour and by SMS on the sunrise and sunset time. Now you will see I will place a weight on the load cell and you can see that it is now almost more than 100 gram. As I have set the threshold of 100 gram, now I will receive the SMS. You can see I have received the SMS on changing the threshold and also data on the blink cloud is also updated.
Next here is the demo video of complete setup working.